You know all those people that complain about scraping their windows because it's cold out? Look at this. Can you see the steam coming off of it? This is ice. Ice on my keister. So let's get this started. Let it warm up a little bit, which is not something I do, I have to admit. Except when I find ice on it. Are we neutral? Yes, we are. Ooh, that was slow. So much ice. See, people think it's all fun and games living on your motorcycle. Fun and games. And you know what? It is. So much ice. Okay. You're about to hear a noise seldom heard in the wild. It's the sound of a bear sitting on something cold.